Other options in page setup include whether you want to print or not the grid lines. The grid lines you can see here are the wee lines that help the reader read the information. If I go into the page setup option and I go to Sheet at the top, I can say don't print the grid lines. I take the tick off and hit OK, and the grid lines are no longer printed. I think this particular sheet though does need grid lines to help the reader, so I'm going back into page setup and I'll turn the grid lines back on under Sheet. Other options include whether you print in black and white, whether you print in draft quality, which means no bold, no italics and no underline, and whether you print the row or column headings. Sometimes I do like to print the row and column headings, so I'm going to tick that option and go OK. And so now I can see my column headings, A, B, C, and I can see my row numbering, 1, 2, 3, etc. Once the page setup is complete, you're ready to print. You can print the active sheet, and you can choose which printer you want to print to. You can also choose the number of copies you want to print. Sometimes though I want to print the entire workbook, and so that's an option in here. You can print the entire workbook or just the active sheet. If I want to print just a part of a sheet, then I'll actually have to go out of Print Preview and select that range. So I'll go back to Home in the ribbon and I'll select the range I want to print. I'm just highlighting A1 to F20, and when I go back into Print Preview, I can say don't print the active sheet, print the selection. When I choose Print the Selection, notice that it's only printing the cells that I selected, A1 to F20, and it's kept all the other attributes, such as the headers and the footers, and such as landscape, and centering horizontally and vertically.